Hello everyone, welcome to Suni IAS. Guys, today in this video we are going to talk about our new book. This book will contain model answers for your previous year question papers of mains examination taken by UPSC CSC. This is how the book is going to look like, and we will provide you 8 years of papers decoded into model answers. All the papers GS 1, 2, 3 and 4 will be in this book. It will be covered. Now let us look at the coverage a little bit more deeply. We will be covering all the questions asked in the mains examination of UPSC CSC examination from 2015 till 2022. Now there is one more thing that we all need to take a note of. The book will contain 6 years coverage, that is from 2017 to 2022, and 2 years of papers. Okay, the model answers to these papers will be provided as PDF, which you can log into our website and access them. 2015 and 2016, these both years. Okay, now the coverage is going to be paper wise and year wise. The book will be delivered in hard copy format only. Remember, 6 years in hard copy and 2 years PDF. This is the only format the book will be delivered in. Now, this is something very important, I must say. We are printing only 2000 books. So, the books will be given to people on first come, first serve basis. So you need to order the book as soon as possible, because this book contains very carefully crafted model answers for your previous year questions. You will get comprehensive content. You will develop an understanding on how you have to structure your answers and what is UPSC expecting from you, and this can be a game changer in your UPSC mains preparation. So how do you order this book? Are there any samples available? In the description of this video, we have given you a link. This link will take you to our website, and on this page you will be able to download the samples and view the samples. And after that, the same page, okay, will give you a link to order the book. Alternatively, this is a QR code. You can scan this QR code from your phone and you will end up on the same page of the website. So guys, don't wait, hurry up. We only have 2000 books, and this book will change the direction of how you write answers and how you understand the demand of UPSC. Thank you very much, guys.